Ma'am, we are. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Very good morning to all. See, I'm really happy to see you people back. Put your videos on. I hope you all got the instructions in the night.
Yes, ma'am.
And no need for me to
Yes,
repeat the
ma'am.
instructions, please. Let me just take attendance and we'll start. Did you all enjoy your vacations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Were you all able to complete your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of disturbance. Keep your, once you have answered, keep yourself on mute mode. I think your ma'am told me in front of me everything.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let me just mark your attendance, then we'll start with the work faster. Class is
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Put your videos on and you need to be in school uniform.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Kabir, you have to enter with your name. I can't allow the name Redmi. I can't allow. I can't allow.
It's Harshit. It's Harshit.
I can't allow somebody with the name Redmi. Your teacher gave you complete instruction. You have to enter with your roll number and name. Do we have Vihan in our class? Vihan? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Vinayak, we entered you. I admitted you. Again, you're not able to join. Chehek. Who is this Redmi? I can't allow.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Put your videos on, children. No need to be told again and again. If somebody can put, so if somebody can give message to in the group that I'm not allowing with the name Redmi. I'm not going to allow the name Redmi. Kabir, put your video on. Everybody has to keep their videos on, and you need to be in school uniform. I need not to tell you again and again. And you're not going to unmute you.
Child. That's why I do not have the school uniform.
Who is this?
Ma'am, I am in
Rehan
school
Baba.
uniform.
Rohan, okay.
Ma'am, Rehan.
Rehan, yes. Aradhna,
Yes.
put your video on. Why is it to be told? I'll not repeat. This is the first day only I'm repeating. Now from tomorrow, I'll remove you people this way. I don't want that. A meeting after so long, and I don't want to do like this with you people. So right now I cannot see Gunjan, Harjap, Harjit. Is Dharya here? Dharya?
Ma'am, Harshit is also here. Let me.
Dharya is here?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, Harshit is also here.
Aditya Talukdar, is he here? No. And one more
Harshit
Aditya.
is here.
Roll number 2 is not here. So, how did you all celebrate? How did you all spend your vacations? First, tell me that. How did you all spend your? How did you all
Amazing.
spend? Amazing.
Ma'am, boring because we cannot go out.
Oh,
Ma'am, boring.
Oh, yes.
Boring.
Oh, yes.
Ma'am, because
Boring.
in the June month, it was my father's birthday. So we make cake for him.
Okay.
Enjoyed a lot.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is 14 June, my birthday. My sister make a cake for me.
Very good.
Ma'am, on 24th July is my brother's birthday and I will make cake for him.
Good. Very good.
Ma'am,
you all
on
have-
17 June, my birthday is there. I celebrate in this birthday in new way.
New way. How did you celebrate?
Ma'am, my mother make the cake for mine and make different dishes at the home, and we enjoyed a lot on my birthday.
Very good. Very good. This is a now new normal for all of us. Now, children, you all have revised whatever we have done before vacations.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
And yes.
Do you all know how to play Kahoot? Do you all know how to play Kahoot?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
You have to go for kahoot.it and I will share the PIN number with you. And we all are going to start our new class after so many days with the enjoyable game of Kahoot. Okay, then we'll start studies. Yes, right now, right now. Kashvi was admitted earlier also, I think. Kashvi was admitted earlier also. Again, she's asking for it. Okay,
Ma'am?
yes.
Ma'am, the worst situation is in my area.
Yes, I've heard. You live in nearby school?
Ma'am, yes, Old Rajendra Nagar. It has been
Yes.
sealed.
Yeah, it's been sealed.
Yes. There is worse situation than ever.
area is also in red zone.
Yes. Should we start playing?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, मैं जोनी
Do we have to, ma'am, do we have to log in at the Khan Academy? Ma'am, you said the message.
Yes. Okay. Open. Just go for kahoot.it. Go for kahoot.it. Go
Ma'am,
for.
opened. Ma'am, opened.
Can you all see Kahoot screen on your screens?
Yes,
Children
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to join with pin number 2031450. I'll again repeat 2031450.
Ma'am,
Wait. Yes.
ma'am, this is coming on my screen.
Wait. Let me do it again. I'm doing it again. Pin number change now.
Ma'am, we cannot listen anything.
Team mode.
Ma'am, what is the pin?
I'll tell you again.
Ma'am,
Wait, beta. Write down the pin number 59.
Ma'am, this is coming.
595
Ma'am,
2556.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this is coming on the screen.
Hurry up, children.
Ma'am, the problem with the game pin.
No, I'm again repeating 595 2556. I can see 13 players. 14. Hurry up. I can see only 16 children. The children do it faster. The ones then only will be able to start the game.
Ma'am, it is saying we are disconnected.
Yes. I can see 19 players.
Ma'am, can you tell one more time I was disconnected?
Yes. Go for kahoot.it.
Ma'am, I am in.
Yes, good. Hurry up. Yes, I can see many of you. I can see 20 players. I can see 20 players. Hurry up, children.
Shall we start?
No, you cannot start. I have started. I'm just waiting for all the time. Faster, make it faster. I'm going to your instructions.
Go back and do it again.
Hurry up. I can see only 23 children, 23 players. Strength is more. Hurry up. I think we have more than 30 children today. Why children are taking so much of time?
Ma'am, 33 children are there.
I can see only 24 players. I can see only 26 players. We can't give so much of time for joining. It hardly takes a second. You just have to type game number 595 2556. Should I start the game?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others remaining children? They won't be able to play then. Hurry up, children, please hurry up.
मैम मैंने पिन नंबर डाल दिया पर माय नेम इज नॉट स्क्रीन.
Yes. read out the question for you people. What is the smallest prime number? And what is the smallest prime number? The answer is pink is 2, blue is 3. Pink is 2, blue is 3.
मैम देवांश ने आंसर बताया.
Kabir, quietly answer the questions, please. So, 3 children gave wrong answer. You'll only simply give the answer, you'll not speak the answer. You have to just choose the correct option. Next, I am going with the next question. Okay, right now, Shaurya Nagpal is at the first position. Question number 2. 1 is a prime number. 1 is a prime number. 1 is prime number. Blue is true, pink is false. 21 children gave right answer, 7 gave wrong. Let's see. Again, Shaurya Nagpal is at the first place. Let's go for the next question. 11, 13 is an example of twin prime. Blue is true, pink is false. 11, 13 is an example of twin primes. Blue is true, pink is false. 22 children gave correct answer. Let's see the scores. Aditya is now at the first place. Let's go next. 10, 11 is an example of two prime numbers. Blue is true, pink is false. Blue is true, pink is false.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Yes, 10, 11 is an example of pair of co-prime numbers. Blue was true and pink was black. Pink was false. The answer was blue. True. But 10 children gave wrong answer. Let's see. Dhani is at the first place
Screen
now.
is paused. Screen is paused. Yes.
Ma'am, it is false.
Are you able to see the screen now? Yes, HCF of two given numbers is greater than the two numbers. HCF of
The screen is false.
Screen is false.
the screen is being shared.
But
Five.
no, ma'am, it is false.
Ma'am, it is false.
It is paused from your side then, beta. Game is open. I am able to share the screen. I am able to
Ma'am,
Let's play one more question, then we'll see. Otherwise, we'll stop this game here only. Can you see the question now, children?
no, ma'am. No.
Then we'll stop the game here only. We'll stop the game here only. HCF of 3 and 4 is 4. But how come 17 children were able to answer? 17 children have answered.
And the screen is paused.
And the screen is paused.
Let me just check again.
Ma'am, the screen is paused. Ma'am, the screen is paused.
Okay, I'll check your scores and I'll tell you the winner. So it means everybody is not able to play. So I'm stop sharing this.
Ma'am, restart the game.
No, we have already played 7 questions. I'll tell you the score according to that. Because all of you were not able to see it. Now children, did you all enjoy? Those who played, did you all enjoy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now, we all left.
Ma'am, yes.
We all were doing chapter 3 in the month of May. And we were on 4th exercise. What was the topic we were doing? Somebody from your side, Chaitanya will tell. Chaitanya, which topic we were doing? Put your videos on, children. I'll not repeat. I'm going to remove you people now. Ananya? Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the last topic we were doing?
Ma'am, we were doing factors and multiples.
Very good. We were doing
Common.
factors and multiples. And now we have to start with prime factorization. We have to start with prime factorization. So I am starting with that. And I'll share the score of your Kahoot on these 7 questions only. Okay? Let me start with prime factorization. Children, can you all see the PPT? Let me just see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'll share again. I'll share again. Now, are you all able to see?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But it is, ma'am. But it is not clear.
No.
Well, there is some problem in network from your side. From my side, it was very clear. I'm again showing, trying to get it again.
No, ma'am.
I'll show you again. Now, can you all
Yes.
see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So
black boxes on the screen.
the box is the video panel because I want to see you people, what you all are doing. Okay? So video panel, you can minimize from your screen by pinning window. You can make it small or big. Okay? Now, chapter 3, we are going to continue. And the topic was, now the subtopic is prime factorization. So today you are going to learn, we are going to recapitulate first some more divisibility rules. Then we'll also try to recapitulate prime and composite numbers. And we'll understand what is the meaning of prime factorization. And we'll also try to start with factor 3 method to find factors and also division method. There are 2 methods for prime factorization. We are going to find both, we are going to learn both the methods. So some divisibility rules, these are the rules which we have not learned. Please listen very carefully. I'm going to share this also again in Google Classroom. You can note down from there also. Now, the rule says if a number is divisible by another number, then it is also divisible by each of its factor. What do you mean by it? Let's see. For example, 48 is divisible by 12. So let's see the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. It means that 48 is going to be divisible by all these factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Children, have you understood? Okay, somebody will repeat. Read out again for me. Ananya, read out for me. Read out the rule.
Ma'am, if a number is divisible by another number, then the factors of the another number will also be divisible by the first number. For example, 48 is divisible by 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So 48 will also be divisible by these factors.
Yes, very good. Now, let's see next. Some more divisibility rule. If a number is divisible by 2 co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by their product. If the numbers are co-prime, two co-prime numbers, for example, 120. 120 is divisible by 5 and 12 both. Then it means if we multiply 5 and 12, we get 60. So 120 is also divisible by 60. So product of 5 and 12 is 60. So we can say 120 is also divisible by 60. Now next rule is, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. For example, 16 and 20. Both the numbers are divisible by 4. Then we can say their sum, that is 16 plus 20. We get 36. 36 is also divisible by 4. These things are very important. These rules are very important. Please pen down these rules. Only these the rules written in red from your. I'll share this PPT. Write these rules in your notebook with the date, today's date, and the classwork mentioned there.
Okay, ma'am.
36 is also divisible by 4. Now, if two given
Ma'am, we have to write example.
No need to write example. Just understand the properties. You'll be able to give any example afterwards. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is. Virat, what are you saying, beta? Virat, you're saying something? Not. Yes. Dekho.
And what do we have to write in these?
Only this red line. This is the rule. Once you understand the meaning of the rule, examples you can easily handle. You can easily give. Ekam, yes, speak up. What do you want to say, Ekam?
Ma'am, I just want to clarify, is this the matchbook?
Is this the
Matchbook?
math book? You're showing me the book. Are you showing me the book? Let me see.
Yes.
Wait. Where is Ekam? Math book is your NCERT. You can share the picture in the class group. I'll tell you. Okay. Yes, this is a math book. This is a math book. Okay, next. Let's see this example. Suppose 16 and 20 are divisible by 4. Then their difference, 20 and 16, their difference is 4. It is also divisible by 4. Now prime numbers. Do you all remember the prime numbers are the numbers that have.
Can you please show the previous slide?
Beta, I'm going to share this slide with you in Google Classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The prime numbers are the numbers that have exactly 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. And the examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Composite numbers which have more than 2 factors. All these are composite numbers which are not prime. Now comes the most important, something new. Factor 3, prime factorization. So write down this prime factorization. When a composite number is expressed as a product of its prime factors, the process is called prime factorization. Please write down, children. When a composite number is expressed as a product of its prime factors, the process is called prime factorization. when a composite number is expressed as the product of its prime factors, this process is called prime factorization. Were you all able to write?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
two methods. There are two methods of doing prime factorization. Let's see one by one. The example here is factor tree is given. 24 is our example. When we factorize it, we get 6 into 4. Then 6 is again factorized 3 into 2. And 4 is factorized at 2 into 2. We get the factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's see by using prime factorization how methods of prime factorization we will see the examples. Copy down this better, this is important. Factor tree method and short division method. Short division method. You can see the short division method. We draw a column like this. 910. Divide 910 by 2. We get 455. When we divide 455 by 5, we get 91. When we divide 91 by 7, we get 13. Same way we did here, but we just did it in the other way. We divided it, made it in the form of tree. I wrote 910 as 91 into 10. The 91 was divided into, again, 2 branches, 7 and 13, and 2 and 5. Same factors you can see, 2, 5, 7, 13. 2, 5, 7, 13. Please note down this, children. This is important. Wait, I'll just bring it back. Note down this. Factor tree method. Short division method.
Do we have to make the factor tree method as well?
Yes, you'll be learning both the methods. Have you all done, children? Should I show you some more examples?
Yes.
Let's revise the factor tree method. Now we'll write 32. Let me see how many of you can write. Express 32 as product of its prime factors. Express 32 as product of its prime factors.
We have to write this.
You have to do it. Yes, you have to do it. Let me see how many of you have done, and you can check. I'm going to show you the answer. First, we'll split 32 into factor pairs 2 and 16 or 4 and 8. The branches will be shown like this. 4 and 8, suppose we have taken. Then split each of the composite factors using the same method for writing any factor pair on its branches. Like here, 2 into 2, and there you can write 4 into 2. Then only 4 can be factorized now. It will be factorized as 2 into 2. So, and circle the prime factors like this. So, we get the factors as this. We have to write the answer like this. This is called factorization. 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Have you all got the same? Did you all get the same?
Yes.
Very good. Check, did you get the same answer? Check why are you not in school uniform? Who is this DS? Who has put this name as DS? You'll not do like this.
Dharya Singh.
Put your video on. I'll not repeat. From tomorrow, I'll remove the child who will not put his or her video on. Now, children, anybody has any query in this method? Anybody has any query in this method?
No.
Sure. Tomorrow we are going to continue with from here only. I'll show you one video on factor tree. Then we'll also learn the second method of prime factorization. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Today we have learned prime factorization. We have heard about both the methods, but we have done question on factor tree first. Tomorrow we'll go for division method in detail and we'll continue. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody who has query? He or she can raise his hand. I'll solve the query.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
Sure.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am.
Yes.
Children, why do you people again and again put your video, keep on fiddling with the keys? You're not supposed to. Put your video on, audio off, every time will not repeat. Next time say, ma'am, आपको remove कर देंगी. Shaurya Khanna, Chaitanya, Nivedita, I'll not repeat. I'll simply remove you people from the class. Why were you playing with the Chaitanya? Rules are not clear. Rules need to be followed. Otherwise, I am going to remove. This is the last first because it was the first class. I did not remove. From tomorrow, I'll remove. As simple as this. Lakshika, Dhani. And why without my permission you are leaving the class? You can't. No child will leave the class without my permission. Okay, children, did you all enjoy the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, God bless you all. God bless you all. We'll meet tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, beta. God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.